rainy day. It's good walking. It's in this little conspicuous looking corner. How bad is it? What do you think? Wanna wait? You can wait. Yeah? What are you thinking? You got it?
I was one step behind because there was only one matcha left.
Oh, I mean, you still got other ones, right?
Yeah, but then they have strawberry upstairs. They sold out of all the other flavors already. There was one matcha left, but then the lady in front of me got the last one.
That's fine. So, first floor is owned by Miyazaki's sister-in-law. So, this is their sister-in-law bakery. And I think, like, his autograph is there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And they're the only bakery in the world who has like official permission to sell.
Okay,
like,
yeah. So
Totoro
they're the only
shaped
official
desserts.
Totoro shaped puffs
Yeah.
with permission in the world. Yep. And then the second floor is like a cafe that collabs with them, and they sell their stuff.
I think so.
Yeah. So, but then if you want takeout, you just go in and hope they don't sell it. But luckily, we got some.
So it's like strawberry flavor.
Wow.
And they also sell cookies that you could buy as souvenirs.
Mm-hmm. Okay, cool. Okay, take the 5's. Oh, Totoro. Kikis. Look at them. Oh, these windy stairs. So, order with the QR code over there. Tell you how to order it. Yeah, so let me show you guys. So, scan the QR code. It'll tell you it's an online ordering system. You can pay with a credit card. Cash is also accepted. Lunch. Okay, we asked that you at least order one drink per customer. Okay, here it is. So we have a croquette madame. That sounds pretty good. Seasonal vegetables and shrimp. Cod. Oh, cod roll pasta. Yeah, you can see it. Nice little upstairs. Not many decorations though. Let's see what we got. Yeah. Let's see.
Matcha latte.
Matcha latte. Very nice. Very cute. Passion fruit Italian soda. Just, oh, hi. Thank you. Wow, let's do the bread. Oh, it's actually pretty big. Look, it's the half bread dough. Yeah, and then I just realized we actually just got it's just a giant bread.
You don't have the cheese bread, right? That's the
Yeah, the cheese bread's the one that's sold out. And then this is curry bread. Wrapped up. Okay. Dang, look at it. It's like almost looks like a bread, but it's like a croquette. It's got some French fries on it too. Wow. Oh, thank you so much. Ooh, wait, that is pasta. Never mind. Right, a little bit better. Oh shit. There's vegetables. It's got some bread. Okay. Alright, digging in. Shrimp pasta. Tomato sauce. Oh yeah, that looks good too. The croquette. Dang. Hi, arigato. Wow. There he is. He's the whole reason we came here. But there's also a limited soccer edition too. Gonna eat the Totoro now. Then the only cafe that can sell Totoro shaped desserts, because they're the only official licensed one. So good. Oh, there's a restaurant. Yeah. Look at all of them. All the little mini Totoros. All the cookies. The cookies are cute though. Yeah. So cute. Excuse me. But yeah, by now they're all sold out. Wait, are we riding the train?
Wait, are we?
Oh,
No,
I think we are. Oh, we are. That's Paul. Oh, wait. Wow, this is exciting. We're taking a train. Local train. I think it was a very local train. Alright, I think we're soon approaching the neighborhood where Persona 5 Royale take place. Somewhere over there. Oh, I think this is the store from the game. Yeah, wait, hold on. Yeah, this is the store from the game. And then over here, so it's this little alleyway right here, I think. Yeah. Oh, I think this is it. Oh, babe, come over here. Hold on. No, it's back there, but I just want to get this before. I think this used to be where the bathhouse is, but it's like currently closed. Yeah, this little place right here. Yeah, so this used to be the entrance to like the bathhouse to the actual game. Like the coin vending machine. Yeah, I think it's definitely locked if you try to go. And obviously it's shut, so can't do much. Yeah, that used to be where the bathhouse or the laundry and bathhouse was. Then you go down here, like right around here. Yeah. Let me see. This is the area where they had. So that's the store. I think you walk down a little bit. Okay, this whole area does seem familiar. Yeah, this building used to be a movie theater, I think. So that building was there. It's like loosely based, I think. Yeah, it's like very loosely based. But yeah, definitely this corner is definitely straight out from the game. That bathhouse there that used to be open. All right, let's go. Yep, so I just looked it up. Yeah, this is the same location as Leblanc, which is the main headquarters in the game where the character lives. And this is the same location in real life. And it's similar because the owner in the game also served curry. Yeah, so this is the place that serves curry. And they also do cake. You see the cake? Little cake, lemon cake, raspberry rare cheesecake. Yeah.
Excuse me, are you tourists?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, we're tourists. Yeah.
From,
Huh?
where from?
We're from America.
How did you get known here?
Well, I played the game Persona 5, and this cafe is a location in the game,
Oh, really?
in the video game. Yeah. And
Famous one.
yeah. But I just looked it up online. They said, yeah, this cafe is where the location is. Yeah. So.
This is the first time for me. My friend told me. I'm Japanese. I'm
Yeah.
living here.
Yeah.
This is the first time. Amazing. Only Tokyo or Kyoto or anywhere?
We're staying in Tokyo for 1.5 weeks. And then we're going day trip to Yokohama.
Yokohama.
And then we're going off on a weekend trip to Hakone.
Hakone.
Yeah. So around these 3 regions. Yeah.
Have a nice trip.
Thank you. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Alright, so we just got the menu. Now we're looking at it. They have daily lunch, Indian chicken curry, ooh, beans and mixed meat curry. They also have stews. I think we should try one of the stews. Pork and cabbage stew, yeah. This is basically like authentic curry from the game. Yeah, this is basically like authentic curry from the game. So instead of like a cute little tomato stew.
Pork and cabbage.
Nice. I probably wouldn't come here if you're expecting like Persona, but like if you want to go to the location where it was inspired by, I think it's really cool just to like see the actual game areas, This is really so much like the whole kitchen, the kitchen gym. Yeah. Hi. I'll just pay the card. Oh, at least Google Translate saves the day. Wait, that's only 2,000. Yep, only 2,000 yen for those 2 meals. Honestly, those are pretty good. Apparently, they're supposed to be like batting cages, but. Ooh, cat cafe, babe. Wow, look at this. Ooh, look at them. Look at them. Wait, no, this is just like the one in Harajuku. See? Yeah. Look at them go. Yep. I think it's a better photo spot, right?
Yeah.
What's up? Dude, it's been so long. Hello.
Hi, nice to meet you.
This is my new fiance, Sarah.
Oh gosh, congrats.
Thank you, thank you.
Minji. Wait, so when did you guys get engaged?
Thursday? Thursday.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
No. Oh my god.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Did you say yes? I know, that was
We'd be standing here awkwardly right now.
I think somebody would have laughed. Oh my god.
Did you just
Yeah.
land today? Or-
No,
A few days ago?
Oh, okay.
Yesterday? Yeah.
Yep. Been a time. Well, congrats on getting engaged.
Thank you.
Have fun on your trip.
Yeah, fun guys. Yeah. Seeing you. Alright, see you later, Minji.
That's so cute.
This is the
Oh wait, I can't
extreme BTS
You want to take pictures
Totoro
for
cream
today?
puffs.